Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. My name is Sahiba and I am from India. What about you?
My name is Audrey and I'm from America. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Oh, so right now, where are you in?
I am currently outside in our backyard.
Oh,
Yep.
wow, such a beautiful place.
Thank you. Where are you at?
I'm in my room.
What what time is it there?
In here, 12:09 a.m.
Oh, wow. In the middle
Yeah,
of the night.
yes, yes,
Are you not able to sleep? Are you just awake?
yes. Actually, usually I sleep at 12 a.m.
12 a.m. Okay.
Yes.
Yep. I stay up late too.
Yeah. Oh, so what time is it there right now?
Right now it's 2:40 p.m. So in the afternoon.
2:40 p.m. Oh,
Yeah, so 1440.
yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, what have you been doing today?
Sorry?
What have you been doing today? Like, what do you do before now?
Yes, yes. Mm, I read a book and
You got a,
yeah, I read a book and I wrote some English sentences.
oh, okay.
Yes, and I talked with my friends
Mm-hmm.
and mm, uh, yes, that's all.
That's good. That's good. What books do you like to read?
uh, uh, English books,
English books? Do you have a favorite book? No.
Think and Grow Rich.
Think and Courage. Okay,
Yeah.
I don't know if I know that one,
Okay.
but
So,
yeah.
and I like Islamic books,
Mhm.
religious books.
Religious
Yeah.
books. Yes,
Yeah, I
those are
really
always.
like. Yeah.
Mhm. Do you
Yeah.
like to watch any movies as well? Or
Uh, I don't watch any movie. I watch series.
series?
Yes,
Okay.
Pakistani series.
Pakistani series. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Those sound
Yes.
really cool. I
What
have to
about
look at
you?
yeah,
Okay.
I like to read a books as well. Uh a book called The Alchemist is one of my favorites. But
Wow.
I like to read a lot of different books.
Very nice.
Yeah, but right
Okay.
now it's still early in the day,
Yeah.
so haven't done too much stuff today.
Mm-hmm.
But do you do anything for work or are you studying in school?
Yes, yes. I am in 12th grade right now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. What are you so after 12th grade, do you go to another school or are you done school after that?
Actually, I want to go to university.
Hmm. Are
Yeah.
you going to go to university there or are you going to try to go somewhere else?
Sorry?
Are you going to go to university in India or some other place?
America. Your place.
America.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a certain place in America you want to go to?
California.
California. That's
Yes.
awesome. Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to America before?
No, no.
No.
Never. Yeah.
No. Have you traveled to other countries around
No.
India? No.
No, no.
No.
And you?
I go to school in Pennsylvania. I go to
You are.
university.
Oh, you are a student.
Yes, a university. Yeah.
Okay. So, what's your university name?
Penn State University.
And wow. So,
Yes. There's
oh,
a lot of international students there. Lots of people from India and, Pakistan,
oh,
everywhere. So, mhm.
wow. So, where are you in right now? In which
I'll be
city?
going, yeah, I'll go to my last year of school. But I'm in, State College, Pennsylvania. And then, that'll be it.
Oh, so,
Almost done.
uh, so, uh, what you want to become in future?
hmm I'm studying to be a teacher.
You want to become teacher?
Yep.
Oh, so tell me, um, what kind of profession? What kind of profession most people like in your country?
Yeah, a lot of people go to be engineer or
Oh,
like science field. Some people go into teaching as well, but it's a lot of different jobs.
different jobs.
Yeah. How about in your country?
In my opinion, in India, uh, uh, business is a famous.
Business?
Yes, people in yeah, the people in my city prefer to business, and in my city, right now I am living, people like most teacher
Mm-hmm.
and mm, policeman.
Policeman.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah, and engineer.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
What are you hoping to study?
I want to become Islamic scholar.
Okay, so you're going to study a lot of the text, the
Yeah,
books. Yes.
yes. Actually, I am in. Uh I gain the knowledge more and more.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Through.
I'm not interested in job.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Just more of the knowledge of
knowledge.
studying.
Yes,
Yes. Okay, and you're hoping to go to California to
yeah,
study that.
yes,
Is
yes.
there a certain school in California or just any school?
University.
University? Yeah.
Yes. So, how old are you?
I'm 21.
21. Oh,
Yep. How about you?
17.
17. Okay.
Yep.
My sister is 18. So she's
Oh,
going now to university. She's just starting where
university.
and I'm just leaving.
She's 18.
Yep.
18. Wow.
Yes. So they'll go to university here. But
Oh,
are you in North India or South India
North
or
North India.
North India?
Yes.
Okay. Most of my neighborhood is from India.
Oh.
So some people are from the north, some people from the south, but yeah.
Mm-hmm. Wow, your place is so beautiful.
There's a lot of plants here right now, but
Oh, wow. Very
yeah,
nice. I like it.
thank you. How's the weather there?
It's very hot in here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's
Very,
summer
mm-hmm.
season. Yeah. So, and in your city,
Yeah,
summer?
it's very hot here in summer as well.
Okay. So, you are in right now. You are in your home.
Yep, I'm at my home.
You are in the balcony.
Yes, there's a little area. Yep, in the back of the house, the backyard.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice.
Mm-hmm. Do you live with your family at home?
Yes.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have two older brothers and one older sister.
Okay, and they're all home with you?
Yes. Yep.
Okay. Do you have any pets at all? Any?
No.
No.
Yeah. What about you?
I have my two sisters and one brother. And then I have two dogs as well.
Wow, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, time is over. It's nice
Nice
to
to
meet
meet
you.
you.
Bye bye.